Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing Lookfantastic's December beauty box. So let's just go ahead and we'll get started. So now that's what the box looks like this month. It has some Christmas bubbles on it here because obviously it is the Christmas edition. We get the Elle magazine and then we also get Lookfantastic's own little magazine which tells all about the products that are inside the box. And the sneak peek for January is a cooking moisturising serum, which is that right there, and that is worth £21.50. On the back it tells you about Lookfantastic's Christmas crackers, which you guys have seen me unboxing already. If you haven't seen that, then I will link it down below in the description box for you. But it does have a code on the back there for subscribers, so you will get like £5 off if you are a beauty box subscriber, and there's like a code down there for it. Okay, so the first thing we get is this eyeshadow palette here from Sleek. This is the I Divine Au Natural eyeshadow palette. That's what the packaging looks like there. It's just a black matte packaging that says Sleek across the front there, and that's the shades inside the palette. So if you can see there, there is a bunch of matte shades in there, and I think there's only 3 shimmers in there. Yeah, so the shades in here are quite dark shades, but I feel like they are quite neutral in a sense as well. They're more like neutral cool tones, I think. It looks like a nice wintry palette. So yeah, we also get like a little sponge applicator thing here, which is actually quite good for the shimmers in the Sleek palettes. Like I have a few Sleek palettes already, and I feel like the shimmers do work well with the little sponge applicator that you do get in the palettes. So that's the Au Natural palette and it's worth £8.99. Okay, so the next thing we get is a pair of eyelashes from the brand Eyeko. These are their fluttery light lashes. Now these look really cute actually. They say light and wispy, and the band on it looks really thin, which is good. They look like they might be quite easy to apply, and you know me, I don't wear falsies really, so these ones I think I will give a go. They look quite nice. I will have to cut them slightly because they do look quite long, but obviously most lashes you need to do that anyway. But the back bit there shows you like how they look you know, once they're on, sort of thing, and they look really kind of natural. They don't look really false or anything, so they do look quite nice. And that's like a better look at the actual lashes. And it says that the glue inside is a new one and it gives you 18-hour hold, and it's also latex free and vegan friendly. Looking forward to giving these a go. Like, I'm not that great at applying lashes, but I will try these out. And these are worth £5.06. Next thing we get I'm really happy about, and it is an eyeliner pen from Eyeko. This is a travel size one, and it's the Black Magic Liquid eyeliner from Eyeko, and that's what it looks like right there. And already I'm really loving the look of it, really, because I can hear that there's a little ball in it, which I do prefer for an eyeliner pen. So yeah, this one looks great. So it says lash enhancing precision brush with a carbon black shade. So yeah, I don't want to open up because it will dry out if I do, because I'm already using another eyeliner pen. But like, I love when we get eyeliner pens because you can never have too many, and that is worth £9. Okay, so the next thing we get inside the box is this here from Bumble and Bumble. It's their Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer. So basically it's a heat protector for your hair. So you apply this, I think, before you blow dry and also before you straighten or curl. So let's read a little bit about this. Infused with feather light oils, this invisible oil primer is a lightweight pre-styling mist formulated for dry, coarse or brittle hair, protecting against breakage, heat styling and UV damage. Keep your hair in top condition this winter with this nourishing primer. Just mist over damp hair, focusing on the ends and comb through and style as desire. Looking forward to giving this a go because like I've been using a heat protecting spray I've been using the same heat protecting spray for years, which is from Tresemmé. It's their just like heat defense one. It's absolutely amazing. I've been using it for years and years and years. I apply it before I blow dry my hair, and it just makes my hair really nice and soft and silky. So yeah, I don't really switch it up too much, like I always kind of use that, but I might give this a go and see how this works with my hair. Like obviously the Tresemme one works amazing, I really don't need to switch it up sort of thing, but sometimes it's good just to try other things out so we don't get bored. I have been using that one from Tresemme for like, oh my god, like probably about 7-8 years or even more maybe. Like I love it so much. But anyway, this is worth £5. Okay, so the next thing we get inside the box is this from Priya. I don't know how you pronounce that. Like I love this brand's throat and décolletage, or décolleté, however you say that, cream. Like I use that quite a lot actually. I keep it beside my bed and I apply it every night before I go to sleep. Well, most nights before I go to sleep, not every night, I forget sometimes. But anyway, so this is the Platinum Lift Firm and Lift Cream. So I'm interested to see what this does. I'm just going to read the info on this. So it says, rediscover youthful looking skin with the Priya Platinum Firm and Lift Cream, a redefining facial moisturiser infused with firming platinum. Rich in antioxidants, this anti-aging moisturiser intensely hydrates skin while defending against free radicals. Skin looks smoother, younger, and with a fresher, firmer appearance. Okay, so basically it is just a daily moisturiser. I'm really looking forward to giving this a go. Like I said, I do like the throat cream from this brand, so really looking forward to giving this a go, and that is worth £9. Okay, so the next thing is this from Real Chemistry. This is their Luminous 3-minute peel. So I believe I have this already, and I think it might be a little bit smaller than this again. Yeah, I haven't tried this yet, so let's read all about this. So it says, get party prepped skin by refining the complexion with Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute peel, an exfoliating face peel that expertly removes dead skin to reveal a soft and renewed complexion. And it says, get instant smoother, brighter and softer skin. And this is actually worth £19.88. So like that's expensive for this product really. Like, is it for this size? Yeah, for this size, well, 20ml it says it's £19.88. So yeah, looking forward to giving that a go. Now guys, that is everything inside this month's box. I would love to know what you think about the products down below in the comment section. Like I am really loving the eyeliner pen. Like that is probably my favourite thing from the entire box. The Heat Defense Primer and the Real Chemistry Peel sound really good. I'm really looking forward to giving them a go. So yeah, they are like my top products I think from this month's beauty box, but I would love to know what you think down below in the comment section guys. If you're interested in the box, I will leave a link for it down below in the description box, and I also have a discount code where you can get 10% off 6 and 12 month subscription plans. I will leave that down there as well for you. You can also use the discount code to get 10% off your first box as well. So I will leave all the information to that down below in the description box. And yeah, that is it for this video guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!